Here's the acceleration for an Audi S3 from 2016 with a dual clutch automatic. And the car is completely original. The engine is a 2-liter 4-cylinder with a turbo that produces 300 horsepower. Okay, let's put the car in individual mode, which is sport mode. Then we turn the traction control completely off, build up some boost and send it. Okay, let's do that again, but with dragy next to it. And here are the official times. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 4.90 seconds and 100 to 200 kilometers an hour in 13.83 seconds. And 0 to 200 kilometers an hour in 18.73 seconds. And it did the quarter mile in 12.99 seconds and half a mile in 20.55 seconds.